Suit up. Join the Emergent Plantocene Cleanup. An EPA embodied scientist training video. Thank you for becoming an EPA agent. Your action is a seed in the Emergent Plantocene. As you walk to the cleanup site, taste the air, feel the temperature, gauge the humidity. Observe the dust. Go towards the trouble. Look to the ground. Find a spontaneous plant. It has come to balance a disturbance. Prepare yourself for the cleaning process. Protect yourself with mask and gloves. Take a moment to listen to the plant. Discover the offering it brings. Take time to carefully clean the plant. Use the tools to clear waste and particles. Gently pick, scrape, and brush. Use the cotton swabs and spray bottle to remove residual layers of dust. Both plants and humans can have their breathing compromised by the accumulation of cement dust. Collect a dust sample for the EPA archive. Label with the date and species if known. As you finish, take another moment to listen to the plant. Receive the offering it brings. Return the kit and suit to the gallery. Thank you for your time and labor. According to the US EPA, the cement sector is the third largest source of industrial pollution, emitting sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide. These substances contribute to ground-level ozone, acid rain, and global warming. In humans, nitrogen oxide can cause visual impairment, while sulfur dioxide can affect breathing and aggravate existing respiratory and cardiovascular disease. Plants absorb sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, removing pollutants from the air. However, these toxins impair their growth and disrupt their metabolism and photosynthesis. Shot on location at All American Transit Mix Corp., 46 Knickerbocker Avenue, Brooklyn, New York, featuring prickly lettuce, Latuca seriola.